the idea for this question is always to try to make it one fraction equals to one fraction before you cross multiply. So I noticed that number one, all the denominators are different. Okay, so I'm going to try to convert all of them to the same denominator. All right, an LCM that comes to my head is basically these both are, they're actually, I can try to do that. I mean, they're actually all of the denominator 24. If you cannot see that, then it's okay, I will not use it. What I'll do is, okay, I'll just show you. Okay, so y, 1/3 y can be the same as seen as y/3, okay, minus 5/6. Now, 3/4 y can also be seen as 3y/4. Now, 2.5, remember I told you that I always like to write my terms as, you know, improper fractions, okay, instead of mixed numbers. So on the left-hand side, what I'll do is I'll try to create the same denominator. So remember that if you have two fractions, right, they have the different denominator, you want them, the denominator to be the same. This in order that you can pack them into one fraction, pack the right side into one fraction, so that we can cross multiply. Okay, so from here, okay, I'm just going to multiply maybe this by 2. Yeah, this is not cross multiply, this is just making the fraction, making to have the same denominator. This will give me 2y/6. Now this whole portion here will give me a minus 5. Now on the right hand side, you can see that there's a 4 and there's a 2. So I'm going to multiply by 2/2. 2/2 is overall, the number is value 1. So this is 3y. Now 5 times 2 will give me a 10. Now this is 4 and this is 4. So I have a 4. So you can see, and now I have one fraction equals one fraction. This is where when you have one fraction equals one fraction, you can cross multiply. So from here, I cross multiply. Okay. So this is 6 multiplied by 3y plus 10. So just be careful. You are doing 6 multiplied by 3y plus 10. On the right hand side, you have 4 multiplied by 2y minus 5. 4 multiplied by 2y minus 5. Okay. So again, from here, open up the brackets. Okay, expand 6 to 3y, 18y, 6 to positive 10, positive 60, 4 to 2y, positive 8y, 4 to negative 5, minus 20. Okay, this is where you start to, make y the subject. So of course, I want these two guys to be together. I want these two guys to be together. So first step, I have to reverse, subtracting 8y on both sides. Now, if I subtract 8y on both sides, cancel, I get a 0. 18y minus 8y, I'll get 10y plus 60. Right, next, I want the y to be alone. So I minus 60 on both sides. Cancel. Now, if I minus 60, I'm going to get a negative 80, 10y. So last one, in order to make y the subject, you know that y, you have currently 10y. Now just divide by 10. Divide by 10. Now, negative 80 divided by 10, you have negative 8. So your answer is just equals to y equals to negative 8. Okay, thank you.